Here's how to use Humana Healthy Benefits Card at Walmart in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to check eligibility, use your benefit card, and pay for covered items at Walmart. Important note, Humana benefits are plan-specific, and OTC purchases may be limited to approved health products. Only use the card for eligible purchases allowed by your plan. First, check your Humana spending account card balance before shopping. Open Healthy Benefits Plus and sign into your Humana benefit account. Check your available balance and confirm which benefit you have. Your screen will show the remaining allowance and benefit details. If you are shopping in a store, use Store Finder to confirm that your Walmart location participates. Next, check each item before placing it in your cart. In Healthy Benefits Plus, the product scanner to verify that the item is approved for your benefit. An item being sold at Walmart does not automatically mean Humana will cover it. Then take your eligible items to a Walmart checkout. Present your Humana spending account card when paying. The covered amount should be charged against your available benefit balance. If part of the purchase is not covered, use another payment method for the remaining amount. After that, you can also shop through Walmart.com or the Walmart app if your benefit supports online purchases. Open account, select the settings gear, then choose wallet. Select Add New Payment Method, choose Benefit Card and enter your Humana card information. Select Save Card. When shopping, look for the benefit program's eligible badge or use the benefits program filter. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Healthy Benefits Plus, check your balance, confirm Walmart participation, and scan the product before buying. If the card is declined, verify that it is activated and that both the store and the item are eligible. Once everything is set, eligible Walmart purchases will be deducted from your Humana benefit balance, while non-covered items require another payment method. Following these simple steps makes using your Humana Healthy Benefits Card at Walmart quick and easy.